We have two absolute amazing people joining us on this stage today. He learned so many things on his own and created something incredible in the real world out there. Well, he certainly doesn't need any introduction, but still I would like to share one thing, that he is our GLS alumni. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Dr. Chandni Kapadia ma'am and Mr. Paresh Pahuja.
Kemcho. First 5 minutes, I'm just taking in all the memories. I've spent so much time on this stage.
When you gave birth to your music and the whole voice notes journey.
I called them over, we jammed, and we decided to perform. In like 20 days from now, we rehearsed and we put together something called the Voice Notes Concert.
And like I told you, I will ask you this on stage. Tell us one thing that your fans don't know about.
About me? Ma'am, इस राज को राज ही रखते हैं ना. This stays between all of us, whoever is in this room, okay? Like one song went viral called Duron Duron. And
सोचूं के मैंने ते बोलांगा कि तेरी तां गल्लां च शायरी.
Hi Paresh,
hello.
Welcome back home, shall I say?
Yeah, this is home. This feels like home actually.
You know, this excitement is actually very, very real. I'm very proud to say that when we announced that we were going to have this conversation with you, there was so much enthusiasm. There was so much overwhelming response that we actually had to have passes, for them to come in, because everywhere, all faculties wanted to be a part of it. I have to drag my deans and directors to come here, and now all of a sudden I see them also over here. So it's not only the students, it's also our staff and faculty members who are so pleased to have you today. So thank you for coming, first of all.
Thank you for having me, ma'am.
And guys, he is, I must say, he's such a humble guy. I feel humbled to meet him. Me being the executive director, I normally don't have a direct connection with the students, and that's why I haven't had one with you. But I've met him once before, and I think that time he was just starting off his journey in the entertainment business, and I meet him. He's exactly the same. Nothing has changed. Just the most down-to-earth person that I've met from this fraternity. So really humbled to have you. And with that, I'd like to start asking you a few questions. So shall we?
Yeah, let's go. Hello everybody. Kemcho. Thank you for coming today. आप सुनने आए हमको. Thank you. It's a beautiful feeling. This is exactly where we used to sit. जहाँ आप लोग बैठे हैं अभी. And I have so many, I was like, first 5 minutes, I'm just taking in all the memories. I've spent so much time on this stage, rehearsing, performing, and yeah, it's been magical. It's just been beautiful. I think this is where I got all the courage to actually go out in the world and be on stage again. So this is very nostalgic.
Exactly. What makes this moment special for him is because it's a milestone, right? It's come a full circle.
Yeah.
It's as much it is overwhelming for you, probably it's more overwhelming for me, because one of our students, to see them reach this height, it makes me very, very proud. And actually I was telling him when I just walked in that, Paresh, this is actually making me nervous. I don't get nervous very easily. But this is actually making me nervous, because this is one of our own coming back. We've had so many people come back and come and address the students, but this is one of our own coming back, and that is super, super special. I can't tell you, Paresh, how special this is. Let's talk about your journey
Yeah.
that's brought you here today. You've moved to Mumbai in 2012 for your career. Safe corporate pathish, and then one day you pivoted to acting.
Right.
So what was that moment when you told yourself, okay, now I'm ready for entertainment?
I was ready for entertainment. I felt जब घर पे मेहमान आते हैं और मम्मी बोलती है बेटा गा के दिखाओ. That was my moment when I first realized. No, but I was honestly going for a very linear, very middle class approach to life because I come from a middle class family. And कि वही था कि पढ़ाई करनी है, नौकरी करनी है और उसके बाद और नौकरी करनी है जिसमें थोड़ा प्रमोशन मिले. And I was doing that. I went to Xavier's. I didn't go to Bombay to actually, to become an actor or singer or anything. I went to Bombay to study further.
Okay.
क्योंकि मुझे और कहीं I wanted to go to other colleges also, but the one I ended up in sounded like the best option. So I was pursuing that. I was doing my job at an advertising agency. But I think you don't choose this. Sometimes this path
Life just happens?
Life just happens. So जहाँ मैं रहता था, मेरे flatmates, they were casting assistants. Casting is a process of casting people in the films and shows. So my two flatmates were casting assistants, and they were casting for an ad, which was a telecom ad, and they just wanted somebody who could play guitar पीछे background में खड़ा रह के. And they couldn't find anyone. Last moment casting चल रही थी, and they said कि यार can you just come down and play guitar for this ad? And I said yeah, happily. And I went and I auditioned for that part, and I got it, and I'm standing in that ad somewhere in the back, and I'm playing the guitar. That ad was shot in Ahmedabad, so I flew down from Bombay to Ahmedabad for 2 days, shot for that ad. But something changed after that. Something changed because I really enjoyed being in front of camera. I really enjoyed shooting. That whole set का जो माहौल होता है, everybody's running around. There's so much energy, lights, camera, and so much chaos. But still, everything goes quiet the moment somebody says silence, going for a shot. And I loved it. I'm like, this is something I could do with my life. But of course, still didn't have any savings, didn't have anything to kind of do this full time. It was just like you see a girl, अभी शादी करनी है वो नहीं पता है, but you've just seen her. You've seen that, oh wow, life could be beautiful with her. That was the feeling. But to make life beautiful with her,
You had to have a base. And
you
had
have
to,
yeah. You have to sacrifice a lot. You have to take a risk and so उसके बाद ऑफिस में मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था बिल्कुल भी. And 3 months after that incident, I kind of told my boss कि यार I think I want to explore this path a little more. And he was very supportive. He's like, I knew from day one, and because you don't seem like somebody who fits in an office, so feel free, go ahead and do whatever you want, and if you ever need a job, come back.
Oh.
And he was so supportive. He was I think I've been very, very lucky with people.
Fortunate.
Very fortunate with people. I've always got the right people who just come in my life like an angel, and they're like, go ahead, do this.
I think that's your calling, which God was completely supporting, and therefore you got support
Yeah.
as you walked along. Wonderful, wonderful. Lovely story.
Thank you.
Many students over here are exploring unconventional careers. I think Dharmesh Bhai just told you about FOPA,
Yeah.
our Faculty of Performing Arts. From your own story, what advice would you give them in taking these risks without losing stability?
That's very contrary actually. Taking risk without losing stability तो नहीं हो पाएगा. The only advice I can give, I don't think I'm in a position to give any advice yet, but the only advice is don't listen to any advice. Every time I try to listen to somebody's advice, the advice usually revolves around safety and security and a lot of those things. But the only advice is that there is a little whisper in your ears, there's a little voice in your heart that is constantly guiding you, and we all know it. We know it from very early on, I feel. I think जब बच्चा 4-5 साल का होता है ना, तो तब कहीं ना कहीं we all give signs of what we will be doing with our lives. Somebody
Correct.
plays a sport, somebody sings, dances, lots of different things we do while we are kids, because we are not kind of conditioned by society by then to kind of pursue the same path. So just listen to that voice. It sounds very ambiguous when I talk like this, but if you carefully listen, and there are ways to listen to that voice. For me, it's journaling. Like, I wake up every morning and I write down my thoughts in the rawest form, whatever it is. And through that, I found that, oh, this could be possibly my path. And it's not going to be easy. Of course, it's not going to be easy, because you will face a lot of rejection on the way, and it's never going to be about talent. That's going to be the last thing. It's hardly about talent. It's about
Hard work.
Hard work, of course, is at play,
Yeah.
but everybody works hard also. There are lots of other things at play which we don't know, which we will never know about. But what you have to do is I feel it really helps to believe you're lucky. You have to, even if you don't believe you're lucky, you have to somehow convince yourself every morning that I'm lucky. And remind yourself of the things in life that have happened to you where you felt lucky, where you felt कि यार ये तो नहीं हो सकता था but ये हो गया, और यहाँ कुछ गलत हो सकता था but नहीं हुआ. And I think that's been my superpower. Like, I convince myself in every situation that I'm lucky. Like, getting into this college was sheer luck for me. Along with, of course, a little bit of courage, which is, you need courage. You have to go out, put yourself out there, make a little fun of yourself. It's okay. And then luck follows, I feel. But you have to constantly remind that along with talent, don't discredit that, along with hard work, you have to believe you're lucky.
Absolutely. You have to believe in yourself. I think at the end of the day, it's all about that, no?
Yeah.
Believe in yourself. And we try at GLS to give you a degree at the same time when you're doing your performing arts. So
That's so cool.
you're getting they're getting a base now, which you never had.
Which
you
we
never
didn't have,
had. So now,
I mean,
yeah.
unofficially we did.
But now you're getting it officially. So make use of that. Paresh, your career hasn't been the typical star launch story.
Right.
You've built it brick by brick, something that I believe in. Ad by ad, project by project. You've also said that you don't at times pay attention to the smaller things. You wouldn't, if you didn't know what to do with the smaller things, you wouldn't know what to do with the bigger things. So you've kind of paid attention. For this generation who wants shortcuts, believe me, Gen Z wants a lot of shortcuts. Oh my God. What's your message to them on the beauty of the small steps?
Beautiful question. Gen Z कैसे होते हैं यार? बढ़िया होते हैं Gen Z. Like, I really like the Gen Z. है ना? Very cool. No, I think you have the best of both worlds. You are at a time where you've seen the world that we have seen, which is
Parents को पूछो
for
परेश
us.
और
Parents
teachers
को-
को पूछो.
No, and you are at the time where the world is changing so fast, from iOS upgrades to new technology to AI. You are in the middle of everything, and the way you're adapting is incredible. So I really have a lot of respect for your generation. Yeah, and there is, looking for shortcuts is I think how we are being conditioned and programmed because of instant gratification that we constantly have on our fingertips. To fight against it is not easy because it's so convenient. Like, we didn't have answers on our phone. हमारे टाइम पे BlackBerry होता था, BlackBerry BB pin, वो भी अगर कोई बहुत अमीर होता था तो. Otherwise, we had our Nokia phones when we were in college. We didn't have information on our fingertips, which was nice. but and this is something I've come to realize after many years talking about small things. I don't want to be very philosophical, but it's actually the small things that matter.
Completely agree with you.
Yeah, because the big things that we see, the big hoardings that we see, everything, like the small steps lead to that. And in those small moments, we don't know. We don't know that ye rasta
What
mein,
path is God
Yeah.
getting prepared for you?
yeah, but I think at the end of the day, no matter where you are, what you become, how much you earn, you will circle back to those 4 or 5 friends, sharing a meal with them, having a chai with them, sitting with your parents, with your sibling, going for a walk with your lover, and those are the things that matter. Like even if you're successful or not so successful or whatever, the true meaning of success eventually is that. Like if you are on a big hoarding but you're alone in your own house.
Absolutely. What use is that? What use is that really?
Yeah. So it's a good balance of big and small both. Yeah.
Yeah. That's a wonderful thing that he said. Guys, that is what I mean when I say don't having those 4 or 5 friends with you is more important than having like thousands of friends on social media. And
and these friends that you have right next to you, just look around, ek bari, all of you just look around, look at the people around you. Ek dusre ko dekho, aage piche dekho. Everybody, these people are the most important people in your life, I'm telling you right now. Like you will get into corporate, you will get into, I don't know, entertainment, wherever you go, you will make many more friends. But ये जो purity है ना यहाँ पे, ये जो I can't use that word here, but you you know the word.
जो दिल से यहाँ पे मिलेगा, वो
हाँ,
दिल से?
नहीं दिल, हाँ मतलब you know the ये जो आपको यहाँ मिलेगी ना, वो और दुनिया में कहीं नहीं मिलेगी. So carry this with you. This just never let go. Like there will be times where एक दूसरे से आप upset रहेंगे, आप एक दूसरे से बात नहीं करोगे. You'll be like, no, now I have much cooler people in my life. But this is the coolest lot. Like this is the most authentic lot because these guys are with you when you don't have a lot of money, a lot of awards, a lot of any of those things. So this is as true as it can be. Over a Jai Bhavani Vada Pav.
So now you know where he likes to. Actually, that was going to be my question to you,
Yeah.
Okay, Paresh, somewhere you've spoken about the phase when you weren't working, you felt powerless.
Yeah.
That honesty is very rare because most people don't admit to those lows. What I found beautiful is that this moment, when you gave birth to your music and the whole voice notes journey, would you want to share something about that?
Yeah, for sure. I love your research, ma'am, first of all. This is so cool.
My team.
The team has done a great job. Whoever has prepared these questions. It was last year, 2024, when the whole film industry was going through a shift. Films on OTT were not doing well. Cinema mein log zyada nahi ja rahe the. So there was this kind of figuring out phase of the film industry, and I wasn't getting a lot of work at that time. So for like 4, 5, 6 months passed by and I didn't stumble upon any good project. And also as an actor, sometimes you feel very powerless in a way that you're waiting for so many people to give you work. It starts with the casting director, then the ADs, then the director, then the producer. You are always waiting for things to happen to you. And I don't like that feeling of waiting. Okay, मेरे साथ कब होंगी चीजें, so I'm like, what's in my control, and how do I want to feel, more importantly, and I knew the feeling I wanted to feel, and the feeling I wanted to feel was empowered and magical, basically. And I asked myself, when was the last time I felt that way? And the answer was actually in college, on stage, because stage and this connection with the audience, it's the purest form of connection, I feel. And I'm like, okay, I want to recreate that. How do I do that? And I called up a bunch of friends, and these were the musicians I had met on Bandish Bandits. So they were real musicians, and I called them over. We jammed, and we decided to perform in like 20 days from now. We rehearsed, and we put together something called the Voice Notes concert, and that changed everything for me. And like one song went viral called Duro Duro, and thank you.
Finally, I get
Yeah.
something really out of them, huh? Once more.
Thank you. Yeah, but that song kind of connected me to people in a way that had never happened before in the 10 years of my life before that. Wo hua. And then we toured. We did an India tour. We went we went to 6 different cities and performed, including Ahmedabad, where all the professors also came and watched the performance. I didn't get to speak to you after the performance, but I hope you liked it.
I'm sure they loved it. I'm sure.
So, yeah.
We'll come back.
But
to-
I'll just conclude this thought. The moral, I mean, इतने कोई lessons हैं नहीं life के देखा जाए तो. ठीक है, माइक है तो बात कर लेते हैं. No, what I've realized is कि every time you're in a position where you're waiting for things to happen to you, कि ये हो जाए तो लाइफ बढ़िया हो जाएगी, या ये एग्जाम क्रैक हो जाए तो अच्छा हो जाएगा, या ये हो जाए तो don't give away your power to things and people outside of you. While that is happening, don't let that make you ever feel powerless. There will be so many times you will feel stuck in your office, in your career, in your love life, personal life, wherever. But that's because you're giving away your power, and you're depending on a lot of other people, and that will happen. That's how the world is designed. That's how the system is designed. But if you can find a silver lining where you can take some control and create something, because the energy of creation is always more powerful than the energy of waiting. If you're waiting, you'll attract more of waiting. But if you're creating, you'll attract more of creating, and you'll be creating wealth, you'll be creating power, success, whatever you want in life. But and it could be simple. It could be just write it down, or gather a few friends, make a short film, do photography, whatever you feel like creating in that moment, or starting your own website and startup and whatever you want. And you will see suddenly people out of nowhere will appear in your life and they'll support you. कोई website बना रहा है, कोई design कर रहा है, कोई कुछ कर रहा है. But don't let that waiting make you feel powerless anytime. That's what I learned the hard way.
You know, actually, we all go through moments when we feel low,
Yeah.
lost, stressed. What advice? I mean, of course, you've already said that actually, that to these young people on navigating such tough situations, taking, most importantly for me is, how did you take care of your mental health at that time and your resilience? What gave you that resilience?
Wow. मेंटल हेल्थ समझते हो? क्योंकि मुझे कॉलेज में पता नहीं था मेंटल हेल्थ नाम की कोई चीज
अब तो एक डिपार्टमेंट है मेंटल हेल्थ का.
Really?
रखना पड़ता है because Gen Z, like I said.
Oh, nice. That's good. But that awareness, if
No,
you
but
have,
it's not bad, guys. It's
Yeah.
not bad. Don't take it bad. I mean, we did not have this, you know.
we did not. We didn't.
And no, not only yours. Even our time,
Yeah.
we felt when we had to talk to someone, it was so difficult.
Right.
I'm sure you also felt at that time something you can't share with your friends, something you can't share
Yeah.
with your parents or your teachers. Who do you talk to? And it's not a bad thing at all.
Right.
So,
No, in fact, in college, I think in the second year or first year, I don't remember, there used to be phases where I would not feel my best and I would just disconnect from everyone. I would disconnect my friends also. और मैं 15 दिन बात नहीं करता था. I just come attend lectures and go home, and they'd be very concerned. They'd be like, "What's wrong with you?" And I wouldn't know. I'm like, "No, I'm okay. I just need some space and time." But we didn't have a vocabulary. कि I'm feeling anxious about something. I'm feeling worried about my future, or I'm feeling low about a certain thing in my life. But you guys have vocabulary now. You guys have vocabulary. You guys have awareness. There is no shame and stigma attached to it. So I think it's a very important thing to kind of address it the moment it's happening, because there's nothing more important than yourself in your life. Like, there are people around you, but you have to take care of yourself, and you have to find your own ways for your mental health. Whatever works for you. It could be just like simple things. For me, making chai takes away all the attention from my thoughts and mind and brings it in the present moment. मैं जब अदरक इलायची कूट रहा होता हूँ तो मेरा ध्यान उसमें होता है.
So something so simple.
So
That's
simple. Just have to
That's
get out of your
wonderful.
hand.
Huh.
Just get out of your mind and do ideally involve your multiple senses and your body. Like pottery is a great way of getting out of your head. Going for a walk without your phone is something that works wonders for me. And small things. पतंग उड़ाओ यार.
यहाँ पे तो बहुत उड़ाते हैं ना, अहमदाबाद में तो बहुत
हाँ.
उड़ाते हैं. लेकिन next time call us for a chai, huh? Something that.
Oh
you
yeah, I
make.
make amazing chai. That was my backup plan always in life. कि कुछ नहीं हुआ तो मैं चाय की टपरी खोलूंगा.
यहाँ पे
That's true.
चाय आने वाली है थोड़ी देर में
हाँ.
आपके लिए. हाँ. Okay. Coming from a middle class Ahmedabad family to being a
Yes.
part of Bollywood, and now a front man on stage, what values have you taken from home that have remained non-negotiable in this journey?
Wow. That's a great question again. What values? I feel the first thing is integrity, which is
Very
I think ये बहुत बड़े बड़े शब्द हैं. अभी बोलने में ऐसा लगेगा कि क्या बात
ज्ञान
है,
दे रहे हैं, ऐसे
क्या
बोलेंगे.
ज्ञान दे रहे हैं. But certain things are non-negotiable, which is your honesty. Always keep your word, because your reputation goes a long way. If people know that they can trust you, then they want to do business with you. And your core human values are what take you far
Absolutely.
in life.
Completely agree.
And that practice starts from here. Like going a little extra mile. Every time you have to. एक आदत होती है कि जहाँ चलो where you're getting paid, you will obviously work more for that thing. But what about the times when you're not getting paid? Are you still giving your everything to that
Correct.
project? Those things, like tiny little things. Ki if you have committed to something, no matter what, just fulfill that, finish it. Be there for your friends. Be there for your family. Just the habit of showing up for your people when they need you. Showing up for yourself, and always keeping home very close to your heart. Yeah.
You know, guys, when I first came in, I said he's the most humble guy, and he owns his roots, and this is exactly what I was expecting from him. And this is what we try to put in our students when we talk to them about culture, when we talk to them about values. शायद अब नहीं समझेंगे, but coming from someone like you, probably it will, be there in their hearts. It will, kind of reach them more than someone like me. उधर ये तो हमेशा ही बोलती रहती है क्या, teachers बोलते रहते हैं, parents बोलते रहते हैं, but when someone like you comes and says it, I think it will, hit them harder.
लगा?
So thank you for that, Paresh. Okay, Paresh, your series 13th promotes hope without big twists or violence. In a world where films often show dark, unrealistic content, what advice would you give students to understand the difference between real life and real life? We really want them to see what these films inspire. And of course, they don't always show the full picture of reality. What
Right.
would you say to that?
How many of you are in performing arts here? Oh wow. Wow, that's a big number. Singers, raise your hand. Whoa. Actors. Dance. Dance always has more, no? Amazing. 13 देखा किसी ने अभी तक?
Ah,
2 जनों ने. ट्रेलर देखा? हाँ, ट्रेलर भी बढ़िया ही है.
ट्रेलर
उतना ही show
मैंने
है.
भी देखा यार.
13th is a story of a mentor and a mentee relationship. It's a teacher-student relationship. And to answer your question about the difference between real and real life, there are, I don't know how to answer that actually. What you see on reel is the most dramatized version of real life. Like जो लाइफ में 50-60 सालों में होता है उसको हम क्रिस्प. अरे कहाँ जा रहे हो यार? क्यों जा रहे हो यार? ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हो यार?
एग्जाम्स है शायद किसी को.
अच्छा जाओ जाओ कोई बात नहीं.
आना चाहते हैं, आई थिंक आने नहीं दे रहे हैं अंदर.
अच्छा अच्छा,
ऐसा कुछ है.
कोई नहीं, कोई जाएगा कोई आएगा, यही तो लाइफ है.
See, deep. In that one line he said so much, right?
So यही है मैम, स्क्रीन पे भी यही है. Screen is also just the dramatized version, the most dramatic versions of it. Like it's so weird कि if I have to summarize this, it would be the parts that we avoid in real life are actually taken on real life. The conflicts that we avoid in real life, the drama that we avoid in real life, we look for those moments in cinema. कि जो झगड़ा आप अवॉइड करोगे कि मुझे यहाँ नहीं करना है, वो हम उठा के फिल्म में डालते हैं. The kind of romance and love that you probably wouldn't show to your partner or lover in real life, we amplify it and we put it on screen. So it's so important to live that and not say no to experiences in your life whenever you are getting a chance. How many of you are in love? शर्माओ मत, देखो ये गलत कर रहे हो बस. हाँ, nice. It's so I'm telling you, you will fall in love so many times after college, but it will not feel like this.
प्रोफेसर्स पीछे मत देखना.
प्रोफेसर्स भी उठा सकते हैं हाथ, कोई बात नहीं. But I'm in love right now. Yeah, I mean कहने का मतलब ये कि
किससे प्यार करते हो वो भी तो
वो
पूछना.
इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है.
अपने करियर से अपने काम
नहीं,
से.
वो तो है ही मैम. But to love another person, to experience that romance, like I have such fond romantic memories. I think this is a very out of classroom conversation now. But during this like rainy season, we used to walk, holding hands from Law Garden to our campus while eating butta. Bimal sir in the house, everybody! So yeah, please fall in love if you're not in love, and if you're in love, amplify it, live it every day, because that's gonna help you if you are in performing arts, and even if you're not in performing arts. Sorry, ma'am, that was not
that's
a part
okay.
of the syllabus.
That's okay. Paresh, you're just not an actor anymore. With Voice Notes, your pan-India tour, you're a true multi-hyphenate. For students to carve their own path in AI-driven world, how do you suggest they think creatively and build an identity that cannot be copied?
That's actually a very good question, because I also sometimes worry about AI. I also worry because I've given commands to ChatGPT and it's given me crazy results. But what I've also realized is that performing arts essentially is for connection, which is a human connection, which is an emotional connection. And emotions are contagious, emotions are very universal. And we all have a very inherent detector for that. Like sometimes you will see a performance, for example, an acting performance or a singing performance, which is perfect, which is pitch perfect, music is perfect, there's nothing wrong with it. But it doesn't connect, right? It still doesn't hit. Versus there are other times when you see, which is probably not even shot well, not even directed well, but it still connects with you. It makes you laugh and makes you cry. and you don't know why. There's no reason why a particular song which is so imperfect versus the other song which उसमें दुनिया भर का तामझाम है फिर भी आपको कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा. It's because there is certain emotional human truth to it which we hide, which we shy away from, which we don't want to share with people. And that's the only thing. Like the moment you are actually comfortable with your own truths, and it could be anything. If you are going through a loss, grief, heartbreak, or romance, or whatever you're going through in your life at that particular moment, career, if you honestly put it in your work, no amount of AI will be able to replicate it. AI is there to support you technically. It is supposed to help you reduce the effort on technical things. But what you have as humans is your taste, and your taste in arts, in anything in life, comes from various things. It's so important. I keep telling all my friends also how important it is to develop your taste in everything. And that taste could be like, for example, my taste in music and the kind of music I make comes from my childhood, comes from the kind of music I grew up listening to, which was a lot of Sonu Nigam, a lot of Shan, Lucky Ali, a lot of 90s pop music, a lot of 90s film music. And that's the kind of soundscape, that's the kind of nostalgic soundscape I still, like to make. I went to music labels and they said ki, no, ye to bada purana soundscape hai. I took Duro to a label, to 4 labels 4 years ago. They all rejected. They all rejected, saying ये तो बड़े पुराने ज़माने का गाना लग रहा है, we can't take this. इसमें थोड़ा बीट डाल के आओ, इसमें थोड़ा ये डालो, इसमें थोड़ा इसको थोड़ा हिप हॉप बना के लाओ. I said कि कोई बात नहीं, I'll release it on my own. And I released it because I trusted my taste. I trusted कि तब नहीं चल रहा है तो कभी ना कभी तो चलेगा. I was like कि 100 जन भी दुनिया में होंगे जिनको ये गाना समझ में आएगा, कनेक्ट करेगा. That's enough for me. And when it actually connected, it connected with a lot more people. So you don't question your taste. If you like something, if you like the sound of something, if you like something, just trust it. And no amount of AI will be able to replicate that, because AI does not have that taste. It will give you options, but it will not. You have to select from that option. It will not tell you कि नहीं मैं बोलता हूँ यही कर. AI is so convenient. तो आपको खुश करता है बस.
Yeah, AI can never replace human emotions. No, humans are.
No,
humans.
if you are truthful, truthful to your experiences, it will not replicate you ever.
Okay, now Paresh, let's switch gears and come
Yes.
to a few lighter questions.
Yes, please. वो देखो.
We as Indians bond over food more than anything else, especially Gujaratis. You once mentioned how Salman Khan arranged a full vegetarian dinner for you
Wow.
on set, and you loved it.
Yes.
So clearly you're a foodie just like me.
Yes.
So tell me, what's that one dish or street food from Ahmedabad besides that vada pav from Ahmedabad that Mumbai has never been able to replace?
I think poha on the highway.
Mumbai has
Yeah.
better poha, yeah?
No, it's different. It's very. Mumbai has a very different poha, and Ahmedabad has a very sweet kind of poha with Ratlami save on top.
Okay.
And dal vada, gaठिया, especially during this time.
हाँ,
गाठिया जलेबी.
दशहरा
because-
type,
हाँ,
हाँ.
तो जब 9th नवरात्रि होती थी वो खत्म करते थे हम लोग 5, 5:30, 6 बजे सुबह के, and all of us, all the friends would go to one of the गाठिया places and we'd eat like humans don't eat actually like that. इतना सारा गाठिया जलेबी order करके we used to eat. So and I did that after the concert also. So in March when I performed there, and all my friends had come, and we finished the show, said bye to everybody, and after that it was just me and 3 other friends of mine, and we went to a गाठिया place, और रात के 1 बजे हमने जाके गाठिया खाया वहाँ पे.
Can we arrange
And
some
chai.
gathia for him? Yeah? So please make sure, arrange some gathia for him.
Yeah.
So
But are there any newer things in Ahmedabad that I don't know you can recommend?
There's plenty. I
Please,
think every time I come, there is something new.
Yeah?
हाँ, बहुत कुछ है. We stay back more than a day, then we take you around. Okay, here's a little one that I'm throwing in. Gujju being Gujju, I can't resist. You're a Sindhi.
Shruti ma'am, Asha ma'am. Hello Sneha ma'am. Hello.
You're a Sindhi, but you've spent a lot of time in Gujarat.
Huh.
What's that one Gujarati habit you've picked that you just can't shake off amidst the chaos of Mumbai?
Oh wow. I think अभी तो इंडिया ही पूरा गुजरात बन चुका है. मुझे नहीं लगता कोई ऐसी हैबिट है जो कहीं
It's being
follow करे.
ruled by Gujaratis.
Huh? Yeah, absolutely.
So,
I mean, in Mumbai also, you know, you
हाँ,
live there. The amount of
70% are Gujaratis and Marwadis. मतलब उसमें से 50% तो गुजराती है.
yeah.
हाँ.
No, the one Gujarati habit I think I still have it in me is कि we have a lot of house parties, right? Which we end usually with chaiya chaiya. And then the Guju in me asks for a round of garba after that. So that's something we do with
garba.
some of the Guju
Okay.
friends. But lots of Guju habits otherwise. Yeah.
Nice. Okay, now rapid fire.
Yes.
Okay.
My
You-
favorite part.
Your fans are ready here to scoop some information. So go with your gut, okay?
Yes.
And the first answer that comes to you. Favorite Gujarati song?
Chogada tara tara tara.
Apu? Mike Apu? Gai then, please sing.
नहीं गाना वो दर्शन का गाना है let him sing.
Acha, okay. Favorite Bollywood actress?
Deepika Padukone and Alia Bhatt.
Favorite GLS teacher? Arey baapre, this is, you are in trouble.
I would rather be boring than answer this question. I don't want to answer this question. How can I choose a favorite?
एक तो choose करो यार.
नहीं
अच्छा, easy है, choose me. Choose me. Nobody gets offended.
Chandni ma'am.
Favorite childhood memory from Ahmedabad?
Favorite childhood memory from Ahmedabad is watching Karan Arjun with my family in a single screen theatre. I think that's where everything started for me. I was so in awe कि भाई मुझे ये करना है. And my
Wow.
first film was with
Wow,
Salman Sarafina.
that calls for a round of applause. So he's got what he's wanted. Amazing. Favorite co-star to work with?
Dimple Kapadia. Yeah, in Tandem.
She's beautiful, isn't she? She's stunning.
Yeah.
She's stunning at this age also. Favorite song of your own? I know this is tough, but one that's extremely close to your heart. And maybe this you can hum for us, or maybe sing a couple of lines.
It's not what you're thinking. I mean, of course, Duro Duro is one of my favorites. But there's another one called Botala. I don't know if you've heard. Wow. So that is a personal favorite. I'll sing that.
Please.
बोतला मैं खाली कर कर थकिया तेरे आगे नशा हो रही ठोकरा मैं खाई फिर भी नहीं रुकिया इश्क दा है मजा हो रही ऐ गलती थी मेरी ਐਵੇਂ ਸੁਪਨਾ ਚ ਮੈਂ ਉੜ ਗਿਆ ਦਿਲ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਦਿਲ ਜਾਣੀ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਗਲੀਆਂ ਚ ਐ ਮੁੜ ਗਿਆ ਤੇਰਾ तो पता ना कोई है ठिकाना रब ਨੂੰ ਲੱਭਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਹੋਰ ਜੀ
Wow, that was amazing. Wow, amazing, just amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you. Favorite food joint in Ahmedabad?
Swati snacks.
Swati? So, what do you call from there? What do you
Wow.
order?
Lots of things. What is that thing जो ऐसे पत्ते में wrap हो गया?
Ah, panki. Panki, okay. Okay. One thing
And
you...
Jai Bhavani, of course.
Huh?
That goes without saying, yeah.
One thing you can't live without on set.
Chai, copious amount of chai. Yeah.
Nice. If you weren't in your current profession,
Yes.
what would you be doing?
I'd be a professor. Yeah, why not? I would love to someday.
Nice.
Yeah.
One habit you've picked from your co-stars.
To be generous and make somebody who's new on set make them feel comfortable, because when I did my first film, that's what Salman sir did. He knew I was intimidated. He knew it was a big deal for me to be on that set with him, Yash Raj Films, Katrina Kaif, and everybody around me. And I was very visibly nervous and uncomfortable, but he made me so comfortable. He made me feel like that I belong there. And now when I work, now I have reasonable amount of experience, which is 10 years spent on film set, and I meet somebody who has just come from, a smaller town. It's their first project. And yeah, breaking the ice with them, making them feel comfortable is something I've learned from Bhai.
Amazing. Amazing. Okay, guilty pleasure, food or snack?
Food or?
Food or snack, as in proper food or a snack?
Oh wow, a snack for
Snack?
sure. Yeah. Like very unhealthy snacks.
Favorite comfort food at home?
Dal khichdi.
Khichdi. Nice. Even I like that. A place you love visiting in Mumbai to unwind?
Beach.
Which beach?
Silver Beach.
Acha, okay.
Silver Beach is the
Versova wala.
हाँ, वर्सोवा और जुहू के बीच में एक खाली पैच है वहाँ पे. And Bandstand also sometimes just go and
Bandstand both sticks.
not that there's a quieter patch.
Huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I have to see that patch. Let me give you some quick fire choices.
Yes.
Music or acting? What's your first
Oh
love?
my God, दोनों बेटों के बीच में आप बेटियों के कैसे select करे दोनों बच्चों के बीच में? No, I'll tell you the difference between the two. I think to make a film, you need a lot of people, right? You need about 80, 100 people to bring together a project. But music is very personal. I can do it on my own at 3 a.m. in my bedroom and it still feels true and direct and more personal and powerful. And there is some divinity and spiritual connection I feel that happens when I do music.
Okay, so both of them, no first love, both of them, guys. Your current projects, 13th series or Lord Karsan Ki Haveli movie, which one are you more excited about?
Our 13th released, Lord Karsan Ki Haveli will release on 10th of October. It's a dark comedy. And both are very different, very different. In one I'm playing a student and I'm playing an investor, and the other one I'm playing a cold-blooded doctor. It's a thriller. So both are very different, ma'am, again.
Okay. Tell us one thing that your fans don't know about.
About me? Oh God.
None of us know. Even your teachers shouldn't know.
मैम इस राज को राज ही रखते हैं ना.
अच्छा चलो टीचर्स को पता है वो बता दो जो इनको शायद नहीं पता होगा.
अच्छा, टीचर्स को पता है. सर क्या पता है विमल सर आपको मेरे बारे में? बताइए.
बताएंगे नहीं ना वो.
नहीं बता. नहीं. I mean, I think I've been a very open book. I don't believe in
अच्छा,
hiding
who's your love
parts of
बता
me.
दो.
Who's mine?
Okay guys, we won't embarrass him any further.
ये बात
Okay, let it
बोला
be.
नहीं,
रहने
ये
दो,
नहीं
रहने
बताऊंगा
दो.
मैं. हो सकता है यहीं कहीं हो.
ઓહો નથી એવું નથી. That's for sure. I just answered on your behalf.
That's okay. I love it. I love it. You're doing the politically correct answers.
हाँ तो कभी कभी देना पड़ता है ना. Okay, Paresh, you once said coffee ज़रूरत है.
Yes. Oh my God, ma'am,
But-
ये कहाँ से लाए हो आप ये सब?
But चाय मोहब्बत है.
Correct.
So we thought, why not bring a little mohabbat into your life?
Whoa.
So we've got these mini
Cute.
chai shots for you. આ આગળથી કાઢી લેજો ને પ્લીઝ. આ કાઢી લેજો ને આગળ અને એમની સામે મૂકી દો. હા.
From Friday night shots to Monday morning shots.
Yes.
We have come a long way.
So
I
we've,
prefer these shots, I promise.
so we've got these mini chai shots for you.
Huh.
So here's the deal.
Oh God.
Every time you confess to doing something,
Huh.
you sip.
Confess to doing something. Okay.
Huh, you sip, okay? Bunked a class at GLS.
I was never in class.
Mimic.
मैं तो एक बार गलती से अकाउंट की क्लास में चला गया था. विमल सर वाज लाइक, बेटा तू क्लास में શું કરે છે? રિહર્સલ નથી કરવા છે.
આવું બધું ના બોલો. મારા
Oh, yeah.
સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ છે
But I had a legit rehearsal in college, in basement. So I was in, like I used to be in college till 11. I used to come at 7:30 in the morning and I'd leave the premises by 11, 10,
So you worked
30,
hard.
11.
Whatever you've done, you've worked hard. And
Oh, yeah,
therefore
yeah,
you
yeah.
are here.
Yeah,
Right? And
yeah.
whatever you did.
Ma'am is like very secretly trying to hide all this information from you कि आप लोग क्लास में ही रहें.
अरे नहीं अर्थ नहीं तो पूछती नहीं ना. मुझे पता ही था क्या आंसर आने वाला है. Okay, mimicked a teacher at GLS. Had a heartbreak on campus.
Oh my God.
हजी ले आओ जो. हजी ले आओ जो.
Haven't recovered yet from that outbreak.
That's okay. Fallen asleep during a lecture.
शायद काश तब ये चाय मिल जाती तो नहीं सोता मैं. But I have, because I used to be so tired by the end of like all rehearsals. I was in one act play also. I used to do mime, fashion show, singing rehearsal, singing
Wow.
Hindi, singing English, and इकोनॉमिक्स के प्रोजेक्ट में भी पता नहीं क्या सोच के एक बार मैंने साइन अप करके मैं चला गया था. या उसमें भी हम जीत के आए थे कुछ.
Okay, now not in just in general, not in GLS. Anywhere you've just fallen asleep where you shouldn't have.
Yeah, quite a few places.
Please.
देखो चाय तो बढ़िया है.
Written a love note to someone.
मैम आप ये सब खत्म करवा
इसीलिए
दोगे.
तो एक सिप पी लो बस. एक सिप पी लो.
इतना मैं
एक
ऐसे
सिप
शुगर
पियो.
हाई पे ऐसे पागल हो जाऊंगा मैं आज.
एक सिप पी लो बस पूरी मत पियो.
That's a better idea. Yes.
Forgotten lines on set.
Oh yes. Yeah. I did actually. Yeah, because I saw Katrina Kaif for the first time and like, हाँ क्या बोलना था? अच्छा.
Stalked a co-star. Why don't you just keep it with you so you don't have to?
Yes, you're right.
Stalked a co-star on social media.
Yeah, always. And then act like, oh, acha, you've done that also. I didn't know about it.
Face stage fright during a performance.
No, that I've never had.
Okay.
I feel the most alive on stage. And I think the conditioning happened here. I think this stage was one of the first stages I've ever been on. Yeah.
Lied to a professor why you missed class.
They never asked. Never asked. They were surprised when I was in class.
Oh.
Because I used to be a first bencher. I used to sit on the first bench. So every time I'd be in class, they'd know, "Kya re?
ये
Welcome, beta."
क्या किया है वो? Okay. Cried after a bad audition or review.
Yeah. There's a major film I was supposed to play the lead in, and I was like in the top 2 contenders. Very big production, very big co-star and everything. And then I found out that I didn't get it. So that was one of the roles where I felt ki, oh, this is like my key to stardom. Like after this, life is gonna change and when that didn't happen, I was like, okay, maybe I'm not cut out for this. Yeah.
It happens at times.
Yeah. But अच्छा हुआ नहीं मिला क्योंकि वो फिल्म पिट गई थी.
Okay. Been intimidated by a co-star?
Yeah.
Okay. Now is the lightning round. A song that always makes you smile.
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार.
Oh, lovely song, lovely song.
You guys know that? आप लोग सुनते हो?
Wow, I'm impressed,
Wow, I'm
guys.
so proud
Really,
of
I'm
you.
impressed even with you.
Yeah.
To listen to that. A song you wish you had sung yourself.
ऐ दिल है मुश्किल.
Oh, amazing song.
Yeah.
Would you like to sing any? If you feel free to sing it.
Which one do you want me to sing?
Anything you want.
Duro Duro. I'll sing Duro Duro. I'll sing Duro Duro in the end with all of you.
हाँ, बाद में.
Let's do that. We'll do the chorus together, all of us. Amazing.
Okay. A song that defines your journey right now.
The song that defines my journey right now. Fix You by Coldplay.
Who went for that concert? All of you guys?
When you try your best but you don't succeed, and I've lived that so much. You get what you want but not what you need. When you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse. Yeah.
Your own song that is closest to your heart.
The next one.
It's coming soon.
It's coming soon.
Okay. Would you like to give us a preview? Or would you like? I mean, it's up to you.
हाँ
We would
मैं
like
अच्छे से रिवील करूँगा उसको.
अच्छा, अच्छे से reveal कर. Okay.
अच्छे से प्ले करूँगा यहाँ पे आके म्यूजिक वीडियो.
Okay. This is an audience challenge.
Yes.
Final challenge. Who's oh God. हाँ, any challenge है कि बीजानी challenge है? Guys, who's brave enough to shout out a random song if Paresh knows it? Not his song, huh? If Paresh knows it, he'll sing a line, hopefully. Anyone, quickly.
ये तो आता है. एक तरफा? एक तरफा नहीं आता.
अरे उसको जो
पारो भी
आता
नहीं
है वो.
आता. पारो नहीं आता. पारो सुना है पर याद नहीं है मुझे. I'll sing. कौन सा? लग जा गले I'll sing. Okay.
अरे let him sing.
हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से, जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से, फिर आपके नसीब में ये रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले कि फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले से.
यार जेनजी ये सब गाने सुन रहा है. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी.
या अभी ये सब सुन के तो इवन आई एम इम्प्रेस्ड विद यू गाइस यार. वेरी
Yeah.
नाइस. Paresh, before we wrap up,
Yes.
we thought it would be fun to bringing some voices from our students and faculties. I ran a little ask me a question on my Instagram and its response was crazy. You actually make me work very hard on Insta. मैं जाती नहीं हूँ Insta में कभी नहीं जाती हूँ and all of a sudden I think everybody was zapped that मैं इतने Insta में answers दे रही हूँ. So I was very happy as well. We couldn't fit in all the questions, but we've picked a few interesting ones for you. And these questions will also be reflected on the screen behind. So everyone here can follow along.
Sagarika.
So
Which role has stayed with you for the longest? कौन है सागरिका? यहाँ पे है? Hello सागरिका, how are you? सागरिका फोटो तो बढ़िया लगाई है तुमने. मैम आपकी भी बढ़िया फोटो है बहुत.
अरे यार मुझे पता नहीं था उन लोग ऐसे बता देंगे. I didn't know they were going to actually show it here. I mean, I knew, but
So
I didn't
cool.
know the
जिसने
focus.
भी ये किया है विजुअल का काम बहुत सही.
There she is, Roshni. There she is.
Okay, which is the role that I stayed for the longest? It's Bandish Bandits, Mahi, I would say. Yeah, that's because it's very recent, and also the kind of recognition I was seeking for a very long time. Mahi got me that, and because of music, I felt very, very connected to that. And yeah, I hope they make another season or they make a spin-off or something like that. So Mahi for sure. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sagrika.
Which role has stayed with you for the longest? Who was that?
Sagrika.
Which role? Again, it was hers only? Oh no, that's already happened, no?
Yeah.
My God, even I'm gone. The one and only request I made to him was to say that the most viral shairi, just once on the stage. There is this girl who wants to come and say this.
Riddhi. Where is Riddhi? That's you, Riddhi?
Yeah, can someone give her a mic? It's too far for her to come. Is it possible to give her a mic?
Yeah. रिद्धि कहाँ हो लाल लाइट में तुम ये कहाँ गई थी हाँ What are these places you're hanging out at, huh?
નવરાત્રિ का है આપણી રાત્રિ
Sorry?
આપણી રાત્રિ નવરાત્રિ का है
Oh, Navratri. Wow, Navratri has gotten quite red. Yes, please, recite. Go ahead, you say it.
आपको गानी थी
मैं बोलूं?
आपकी मोस्ट वायरल अभी हुई थी वो रिसेंट
हाँ जी ठीक है मैं बोल दूंगा ये बुल्ले शाह की पोम है मेरी नहीं है a lot of people thought it was mine thank you whoever thought that goes like ये कहंदे ਜ਼ਹਿਰ ਵੇਖ ਕੇ ਪੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਪੀਤਾ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਸੋਚ ਕੇ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਦਿਲ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਦਿਲ ਲੈਣ ਦੀ ਆਸ ਰੱਖੀ ਵੇ ਬੁਲਿਆ ਜੇ ਤੂਨੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਵੀ ਲਾਲਚ ਨਾਲ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ Yeah. So love
Thank you.
freely, Riddhi. I hope you found someone at Navratri.
थैंक यू सो मच
Yes, ma'am.
What's your favorite thing you like the most about GLS?
Oh yes. ये तो फेक अकाउंट लग रहा है मेरे को ये कौन है बताओ
है क्या इधर? आदिल सैयद? नहीं?
नहीं है ना What's your favorite thing you like about GLS University? It's not a thing actually. It's not a thing. I would say it is the culture. It's the culture that supports and facilitates this. Like they really didn't have to do this for you guys today. They really didn't have to, facilitate this gathering between us and make this happen. But they did that, and they've been doing it since many years. And it's that culture of connection of love and arts and everything together. Like we were talking in the car. I was talking to sir. How there is something for everybody to do. If it's academics, you have that. If it's sports, you have that. If it's entertainment, you have that. So I think just that culture of
Inclusion for everyone?
inclusion is the word. Yeah, inclusion is the word. Yeah.
Thank you. Coming from him, coming from our student, that means a lot to us. Thank you. Okay. Do you think voices have destinies?
Wow. अरे कितने गहरे सवाल कौन है श्रेयान?
Shreya कहाँ है? हाँ वो रे. Please, can you? Oh, Shreyas.
श्रेयान,
Shreyan.
right?
यस सर हेलो सर
यार पूछो आप पूछो यही सवाल
यही सर बताओ आप
नहीं क्योंकि वॉइसेस के बारे में आई वांट टू हियर योर वॉइस
सर मैं भी एक सिंगर हूँ तो इस हिसाब से ही मैंने आपसे ये सवाल पूछा
प्लीज सिंग फॉर मी एंड ऑल ऑफ अस प्लीज सिंग एनीथिंग बिकॉज नो आई because if voices have destinies then this is your chance. There are 700 people listening to you right now and this is your voice and destiny. Go ahead.
सर आपने जो गाया अभी मैं वही गाना चाहूँगा, लग जा गले।
बिल्कुल भाई।
लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर से जन्म मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले से। Thank you so much.
Beautiful. Beautiful. What do you think the answer of this question is? The answer is yes, of course. Your voice will find its audience just the way it found today, and you have Keyur sir.
Means a lot, sir. Thank you so much.
Can we,
Get your first Ooh.
break that too with,
B-I-M. B-I-M. How did you get your first break, and that too with Salman Khan and Tiger Zinda Hai? Sir, mat pucho. I was actually sitting at a cafe. There's a cafe called House Cafe which is closed down now. तो वहाँ पे open mic होता है every Thursday. Open mic is like everybody can just come and either perform a stand-up comedy act or sing or dance or whatever. So I was singing a song at an open mic. There was this casting director called Shanu Sharma, who is the Yash Raj casting director. And after I finished the song, she said, hey, I have seen your ads and I think you have an interesting face. I would like to audition you for a film. Can you come down to our office tomorrow? I said, yeah, sure. So we exchanged numbers, and next day she called me to the casting office of Yash Raj. And they didn't tell me anything about the project because it's a very strict non-disclosure agreement that they make you sign. They don't tell you anything about the project. And they just gave me a scene to perform, and no preparation, nothing. She like, just read it. 5-10 minutes they gave me, took the script back from me, and auditioned. And he's like, okay, thank you, we'll be in touch. And then I didn't hear from them for a month. Nothing, no response. And neither did I reach out. मुझे लगा नहीं मिला होगा शायद, जो भी था. And then again, a month later, I get a call from her assistant saying, you've been shortlisted, but we would like to do another round with you. And I went for the second round. And this time there were like 30 other boys. They had all been shortlisted. So again, we were given another scene. And we were briefed, okay, you know, nothing about the film, nothing about the character, but just a slight hint of, they said, you know, do it with a hint of patriotism and do it with a hint of like bravado and courage. I said, okay, great. And I did that scene. And in 10 minutes, I was out of there. Again, no response for a month. And suddenly one day, मैं अपने कपड़े धो के सुखा रहा था. And I get a call and it says Shanu Sharma calling, and I answer. She's like, hi, how are you? I said, I'm good. How are you? Good, good. What have you been up to? Oh, I went for a wedding. Oh, अच्छा, किसकी शादी थी? मेरे दोस्त की शादी थी. अच्छा, listen, you got a film. I said, oh, okay. Which film? You never told me about which film I was auditioning for. She's like, this is a film called Tiger Zinda Hai. This is a sequel to Ek Tha Tiger, and this is going to be with Salman Khan. And she expected that I'm going to scream and I'm going to be like, you know, yay. And I said, oh, thank you, but I don't think I want to do it. And she's like, why? Are you crazy? I said, maybe a little, because I think I want to debut as a lead. Because, you know, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. My first film will never happen second time. And she's like, I totally understand. I get your dreams, I get your aspiration. मेरा सपना था कि स्क्रीन पे इंट्रोड्यूसिंग परेश पहुजा आना चाहिए, you know, because when you debut and it's your first film, they give you introducing credit. And I'm like, ma'am, if I do a secondary role or you know, another part, I will not get that credit, and that's a dream. I don't want to compromise on that. And she said, okay, just come to the studio, meet the director, and read the script. If you like it, we'll talk further. And I read the script and I loved it. But I said, ma'am, still, my dream is still my dream, which is I want that introducing Paresh Pahuja credit. So they looked at each other and they said, "Cool, we'll give you that." And yeah, yeah. So that's how I got my first film. Thank you, sir. That's it.
That's it?
बढ़िया.
No, I answered so many more questions. इतने कहाँ से?
There are so many questions, but we have shortlisted few questions.
अच्छा, okay.
देखा? Questions भी shortlist होते हैं.
Paresh, you just made everyone here fall in love with music, and honestly, with your journey all over again. And I can see that he's a very, very emotional guy, and he's feeling it. You know, he from the bottom of his heart, he is feeling the pulse of GLS, and he's loving
Yeah.
and everything that is. It's come to him all at one time. Paresh, you can act, you can sing, you can charm an entire room. This is not a room, an entire auditorium. But what stands out is how you stayed real through all of that. And before we wrap, I really want to share something about Paresh to everyone. And I've said this before. Very often when someone reaches this level of fame and accomplishment, it is natural to have an honorarium in place, to expect the star treatment, to expect, and rightly so, I mean, nothing wrong with that. But when we extended this courtesy to Paresh, all he said was, I can't take anything from GLS. And when the team came back and said this to me, I said, really? And it made me feel proud. Honestly, it made me feel proud. It should make the whole faculty of SMPIC, what we now call GLS, FOC, it should make you guys proud. And it touched a note somewhere in my heart for you. So, honestly, at this moment, and when we walked in, I was more nervous because someone who's got so much emotion and so much passion is someone you speak to from the heart. So I had this conversation with you from my heart. And thank you so much for coming. I think with that, we'd like to felicitate you.
Yes.
It's a small token of love and appreciation from us. Thank you so much for
Thank you
being
so
here
much.
with us today.
ऐसा म्यूजिक ऐसा लग रहा है कि
That's
ये
our
हमारा
GLS tune.
GLS tune है
This
ये.
is- oh, is it?
Yeah, and FOPA has made it last year.
wow.
So, yeah, this is now our GLS tune. You'll also hear the GLS anthem. We're changing.
Wow.
It's GLS 2.0.
How cool is that?
Okay, Paresh, before we make you sing, there are one or two students who want to give something special to you.
Okay.
So one is Harmeet Kaur. She has returned something for you. Harmeet Kaur.
Hi, Harmeet. How are you? Yeah, please. Please. Hi. Just make some space. Come. Come. Mic is on?
Yeah.
Give her the other one. Huh?
सो जैसा आपके मूसली
इधर
गाने
आइए सबके
हैं।
सामने हरमीत एवरीबॉडी प्लीज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज
थैंक यू सर इट्स लाइक पंजाबी में ही है
हाँ
जैसा
जी,
आप
बिल्कुल।
लिखते हो
दसो
ਦੂਰੋਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਹੁਨਰ ਦਾ ਨਸ਼ਾ ਹਰ ਦਿਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਸਦਾ ਬੋਤਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਵਿਰਾਨੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਰੋਸ਼ਨੀ ਨਾਲ ਮਿਟ ਗਈ ਇਹ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਦੀ ਗਲੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਜਨੂਨ ਨਾਲ ਸਜ ਗਈ ਕਾਰੀ ਕਾਰੀ ਰਾਹਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਚਮਕ ਉੱਠਿਆ ਹਰ ਸੋਚ ਗੁਲਾਬੀ ਰੰਗ ਨਾਲ ਭਰੀਆਂ ਸੋਚ ਕੇ ਹਰ ਪਲ ਵੇਖੀ ਜਾਵੇ ਮਸਕਾਰਾ ਨਾਲ ਜੀਵੇ ਕੋਈ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਸਜਾਵੇ ਹਰ ਮਿਸ਼ਰ ਜੈਸੇ ਸਿਤਾਰੇ ਦੀ ਗੂੰਜ ਤੇਰੇ ਜਨੂਨ ਦੀ ਮਹਿਕ ਹਰ ਦਿਲ 'ਚ ਪੂੰਜ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਵੇਖਣ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਅਹਿਸਾਸ ਹੋਵੇ ਕਿ ਹੁਨਰ ਦੀ ਰੋਸ਼ਨੀ ਅੰਧੇਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਸ਼ਨ ਕਰ ਜਾਵੇ ਬੋਤਲਾਂ 'ਚ ਥੱਕ ਕੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਰੁਕਿਆ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਤੇਰੇ ਰੰਗ ਦੇ ਜਾਦੂ 'ਚ ਰੰਗਿਆ ਹਰ ਕੋਈ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਦੀ ਗਹਿਰਾਈ ਤੇਰੇ ਲੇਖ 'ਚ ਸਮਝੀ ਜਾਵੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਗੀਤ ਹਰ ਰੂਹ ਨੂੰ ਛੂ ਜਾਵੇ
Beautiful. I love it. I don't know if you guys know any other songs of mine. She has incorporated all the songs. Botala, Mascara, Kari Kari. That's beautiful. Thank you.
I loved it so much.
Thank you, Harmeet. Thank you so much. No, means a lot to me. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Can you send this to me, please?
Yes.
Whenever
but
you
sir,
can.
I'm not in Instagram.
You send
कोई
it to
बात
me,
नहीं,
I'll send it to
आप
you.
उनको दे दो. But this is beautiful.
I've DM'd you once.
You are not on Instagram, you said.
I am not on Instagram, but I use my friend's account to DM
ये
you.
क्या scam है ये phishing scam है ये.
But so, I love you, but really.
Thank you so. This is beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you. Please send it to me.
Sure, sir.
Harmeet, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
There are two more students who just want to
Yes,
gift you
please.
something.
Yes.
Shreya.
Hi, Shreya. How are you?
Sir, I'm your biggest fan, and I create a painting.
Wow.
You inspired so much, and I'm die hard. I'm like literally your Katrina Kaif wala job ka scene.
You need a mic?
Which faculty are you from, beta?
I'm from Faculty of Design.
Design.
This is gorgeous.
This is token of love for you.
Look at the detail.
So your smile lines is so many. मेरे को paint करते करते like so.
Smile lines बहुत है ना मेरी. मैं करवा लूँ क्या सर्जरी वगैरह तो नहीं करवानी. आपको पेंटिंग में आसानी होनी चाहिए बस. I love it. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
Shreya.
you.
Thank you. This is really sweet.
Quickly.
Thank you. I can imagine the time you must have spent on this.
You like it?
I love it. This is going to my living room directly. Thank you. Hello.
I am Shreya. I made it for you.
आप सब दोगे ना मेरे को वापस आप लेके जा रहे हो. हाँ मेरा अवार्ड भी देके लेके गए यार.
I had a small business, crochet, handmade.
A second, can we give you the mic?
Yes, yes.
Yes. What's your name?
Shreya. Hello.
It's on?
देखूं? नहीं बंद है.
Hello.
Zehra.
Shaira.
Zehra.
Zehra.
I am from FOM, Faculty of Management.
Okay.
I made this for you, a crochet handmade brooch.
Lovely. Thank you
I have
so
a
much.
Small business of this.
You have a small business of crochet. Lovely. Guys, she's one of you. She has a small business of crochet. Support her. You can. Thank you so much. I love it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Can I keep it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you have to sing for us. We have,
Everybody will sing together.
yes,
Come
we
on.
have guitar in place. Here's Vastu.
क्या है बताओ?
National level competitions.
How are you, brother? You seem to be a crowd
Oh,
favorite.
Mr. GLS. He's our Mr. GLS. Hi, how are you?
अरे ये ऐसे ही दिल जीत लेते हैं ये लोग. पैर वैर छुके.
हाँ.
They wanted me to hand this over to you.
No, you play.
Okay, you want.
You're Mr. GLS.
But you will have to sing. I'll back you.
हाँ ठीक है. Thank you, Prakash. Check.
Check.
What are we singing? दूरों सुनो माइनर नहीं है मेरी लाइफ में कुछ इट्स ऑन बी मेजर बी 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 yeah any of you if you know the song I'll just come here in front sing with all of you नहीं आप बैठे रहो प्लीज just इत्मीनान से गाते हैं हाँ प्लीज प्लीज हल्का हल्का मीटर लेस ही बजाते रहो हाँ सोचूं के मैंने ते बोलांगा कि तेरी तां गल्लां च शायरी वेखेगी मैनू ते सोचेगी क्या तू मिट्टी दा बंदा मैं तू तां परी इश्क दी गलियां च खोया है दिल वे आस लगाए कि जाए तू मिलवे कोल तेरे मैनू आन दे सोनी करा मैं कितने जतन सोनी दूरों दूरों मैं वेखा तैनू सुने हो कहाँ तू कहाँ मैं हो दूरों दूरों मैं वेखा तैनू सुने हो कहाँ तू कहाँ मैं ओ रा रा रे रा रा रे रा ओ sing. Oh, lovely. पीछे वालों. Oh. Love it. Thank you so much. Thank you. This actually feels like a private concert today. Thank you for giving me that experience. Love it. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. I'm sure all of us, we are speechless right now.
Thank you, Mr. GLS.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother. You play so well. ये तुम्हारा असर है. Mic drop.
Hello. Paresh, can I just have you? Thank you, Paresh. Thank you for being with us today. May you soar many more heights, and you continue to come here and you continue to make us proud. Thank you once again.
Thank you.
Guys, 2 minutes.
Guys.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Guys, 2 minutes. Okay,
Can I-
before we wrap up, can we just, as a tradition, can we end this with national anthem followed by GLS
One
anthem?
second, before national anthem, can I have my phone? I want to take a picture with all of you. दादा फोन दीजिए ना. और a video will be nice. I think photo में तो सब आ रही. खड़े हो जाओ सब अभी, ठीक है? वैसे भी
Guys, please stay back.
ready, everybody ready? कुछ करना चाहिए इसमें, बताओ जेंजी लोग. मैं नीचे आ जाऊं. नीचे से सब नहीं आ पाएंगे ना. Do you want to say something? Do you want to what do you do in these videos, Genji? Okay, GLS wants to say something to you. फोटो भी ले लेते हैं, रुक जाओ. I didn't realize there are so many people until now. Thank you. Thank you so much.